Welcome back to the crypto nest. So Agix, it did quite a movement in the last 2-3 days. We can see that the RSI, it was still in decline, and now maybe is trying. Well, I just made comparing to this lower point. He just made a higher low. Let's see if he'll continue to do that. Maybe do a bullish crossover, and then so finally, eventually, we'll see a bullish divergence. That was on the RSI, and the value of the RSI it's 57.34. Now on the MACD as well. Now maybe if it's going to start to reverse and then do another bullish crossover and turn into the green area, maybe we can also determine that maybe it's going to eventually do a bullish crossover as well. We will see. But for a moment, the most important thing is to see the price action. So we can see that, in my opinion, we did this one big wave movement in yellow, and then we did a B, and we are doing the C. Now, if I zoom in into the 1 hour time frame, I would say that for the moment, let me put it a bit bigger. I would say that we did the 1, a 2, this was a 3, we're doing the 4, and we're missing the 5th leg. And if I do the Fibonacci retracement of this third wave, we can see that for the moment we actually, the 0.5 retracement did act as a resistance. We did past him for 2 candles, and now we are back on this level of the 0.5, which is reacting as a resistance. So now ideally what we want to see, it's a reversal in price and reach lower prices. So I'm going to keep this wave for ideal retracement in place. And now I already did, let me do it again, the Fibonacci extension. If I take this wave 1 and I put this wave 2, so the third ideal target was the 1.618, which we almost did bend on. We even went a little bit further, and the 2.618 level would be here at 0.367 cents. As you can see, I did mark it here, so it's more clear for the screen. Also, I calculated the sorry, if this is the wave A and this is wave B, how far should go the wave C? And I estimated that it's here. So now we have a few points that we can consider that the price will stop, and then for sure we are going as well to have this bigger Fibonacci retracement. So as you can notice though, all these boxes or reference, they are in the ideal retracement for a wave 2. And let me see here, what was that? Yeah, okay, so this was the Fibonacci retracement if I just consider that this was a 1 and a 2 and this was another isolated case. And this one, it's the retracement of all the movement, but now we will see how deep is going to go, and then but as you can see, both options are still bearish, and I'm expecting lower prices. It's just to I'm going to see now on which level the price is going to react, so it's going to be easier for us to see which scenario is the best. But honestly, ideally, I would prefer this one because it's going to get lower prices. But we will see when we get there. And the other thing you can notice, let me just expand this one. You can see that the 0.5 it's here and the 0.6 it's here, so they're kind of overlapping these two scenarios. So I would say if we fail this level and this 1-to-1 ratio of the Fibonacci of the wave A and the wave C, if we fail these levels, I would say no, chances are that we're going to go down, and then we're going to get these two levels, which is going to be the 0.5 for the whole movement, or just the 0.618 for the smaller movement. So these are the options, and when I say this could be just a 1 and a 2, it's because it would mean that we did a 1 and a 2, this would be a 3, and all this movement would be a 4. But I don't really like that this way of counting, because I do find that if this wasn't 1 or 2, here like this, we already, did we? Yeah, because we already went lower than the 0.5. It can happen, but now, in my opinion, it's unlikely to be that count. So my favorite count is still the yellow count. Alright, so I guess just put some more clarity, I should put this in yellow. There you go. Alright, so this is all for Agix. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.